I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Thanks for checking out this weather webcast. Happy Friday to you. Hey, some of us are seeing some beneficial rain. Others are still waiting on it. And a lot of us still may not see that rain. But if you live in the Peoria metro area, at least in Peoria proper, you have seen some good showers across the region. Right now, it's just more light rain than anything. There's not a lot of activity going on. This is a live look at our Legion Air Cam in downtown, or looking downtown Peoria from East Peoria. But totally different story. If you head down 74, you're actually seeing a lot of sunshine. You can see the storm off in the distance in the right-hand portion of your screen behind the buildings. But very dry over in Uptown Normal. So no significant rain in those parts. Let me flip over to X-Vision here, show you what we're seeing here. As you can see, we're recording this at around 3:30 in the afternoon. And again, seeing some good showers in Peoria County and stretching up into Stark and western Marshall County. We even have a little shower going on by the airport in Peoria. East Peoria, maybe Marquette Heights, North Pekin, seeing some nice rain just west of Hannah City. Brimfield, maybe just south of Elmwood, seeing a few light sprinkles, but the heavier rains in very rural areas of western Peoria County. Heading up to the north, Princeville, seeing some good rain. Wyoming, also just on the outskirts of some good rain. Same thing with Bradford. Looks like southern Bureau County, and this is now western Marshall County, seeing some of that rain. Let's pop out to the home position. Not much really going on in McLean County. We do have some showers in eastern Woodford County, just south of Minonk and north of Panola and El Paso. And the movement, let me bounce out real quick here so we can get a good amount of this precipitation. There's not a lot of movement. There's not a lot of steering winds. The line, I guess, in itself would be moving east, but not very quickly. The storms themselves are almost stationary. We had a good storm here in Peoria that lasted for a good half hour, maybe even 40 minutes at times. That started up in the heights and then actually started to creep down towards the downtown area. We saw some good rain here at the station on North University. So we may see a few of these flare-ups. Those of you that live in Bloomington, again, go into this thinking you're probably not going to see the rain, but you know what? There at least is a chance, and that's better than what we've seen over the last several weeks. So that's all we can ask for at this point. If I pop out a little bit further, you can see the line. There's more showers and storms out to the west. Are they going to hold together? Probably not, as they continue to slowly move eastbound. But again, at least the chances are there, and we'll probably keep with the chances for most of the evening hours. It'll be very much hit or miss, but again, mostly miss across the region. All right, temperatures have cooled where we have seen the rain. It's 77 at the airport in Peoria, but where you have not seen the rain, it is very warm. 91 in Pontiac, 91 Bloomington, 94 in Lincoln. And again, extremely hot temperatures out towards the west. And I bring this up because that heat continues to build, and there are some models that are coming into agreement now that bigger heat, the mid-90s, maybe even flirting with triple-digit heat, works in as we head into the middle portion of next week. Now, even though we have some thunderstorms in the area, we're not anticipating any severe weather, and there are no watches or warnings across, well, much of the country right now. So that is good news. We'll just take the rain without the severe weather. And I think that the severe weather threat is nil pretty much as we head through the overnight or the evening hours. Could have some heavy downpours, vivid lightning, which is dangerous. Maybe some minor street flooding if you get downpours for a long period of time. Maybe a little bit of hail, but all of which should be below severe limits. All right, here's Futurecast, high-resolution model, and again, taking us through the evening, we'll gradually see those showers fizzle out. I think by late tonight, the rain is gone. So if you do have any outdoor plans later on this evening, I think you're going to be good. Maybe if you're heading down to the Chiefs game, they may have to delay a little bit, but they should be able to get the game in this evening. 70 for an overnight low in Galesburg and Peoria, 69 in Bloomington. It is going to be much more muggy, especially the areas that did receive a good amount of rain, and in Peoria area probably won't show it at the airport, but much of the Peoria area did pick up close to about 3/4 of an inch to an inch of rain. Not a drought buster, but again, this is very beneficial, but it will make for a very muggy overnight tonight. Highs tomorrow will be near 90 degrees as we head through the afternoon. And much like today, spotty showers and storms. Very unorganized, very much hit or miss as we head through the day. I think by the evening hours, we'll then begin to dry out across the area. And as we head into the end of the weekend, Sunday looking to be dry, mostly sunny. And again, on the hot side, we'll return to the mid-90s for Sunday. much of next week, also into the mid-90s, and we're going to ramp up the humidity as well. That'll do it for this weather webcast on our Friday afternoon. We'll have updates on our blog, also on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And if you're local to us, we invite you to join us on WMBD 31 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I'm Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bailey. Have a great Friday evening and a fantastic weekend.